YouTube, so nice to be back. I've been on such a journey, so many ups and downs, and all I want to do is celebrate wholeness, balance within something that I never really had before. So on my welcome back to YouTube, I decided to put a vlog together that's filled with celebration and new beginnings. I hope you enjoy.
Yeah, Bobby Valentino. When I get up all in ya, yeah, we can hear the angels calling us. Yeah, we can see the sunrise before us. Yeah, and when I'm in that thing, I make that body sing. I mean, say,
Guys, as you can see, we have actually made it to the airplane safe and sound. I still don't know most of my itinerary because it is a surprise. All I know is that I'm going to Seattle with family to meet the other side of the family. And yeah, I'm a little nervous because I've never met them before, but I think it's gonna be fun. So the plan is for now is as soon as I get to the airport, I'm gonna hang out for like 3-4 hours. So I'll probably just hang out at a bar or go and get a massage and do my nails. But the good part is that we don't have to worry about who's gonna take me to the Airbnb or who's gonna take me to the hotel because I have my brother getting a rental car. So
yay for family.
Like I said, I'm a little nervous. The fact that we're here just makes it all real.
baby, I love you so.
Okay, so at this point, we have been at the Seattle airport for the last, I don't know how many hours, because I got here at 10:30 in the morning, and I've been relaxing ever since. So now, we're just going to cheers. Let's go.
Look what I decided to do. Is this not the cutest thing? This looks like a sperm. Ew. Look how cute. I just don't know where to put this confetti. There's so much more. We can put it on the floor, but I don't feel like laying that up. Look how cute. It's not much, but it's the thought that counts. Cheers. Okay, you guys, look at this paradise. If you go down here, which I really don't want to, it's so squishy. Look how pretty this is. Like, are you kidding me? Look how gorgeous. Bestie. Oh my gosh. Look at this.
Switch. We're gonna rotate. We're gonna rotate.
Oh my God.
We're gonna go like this.
Oh, that's not what I did say.
They're gonna rotate. We're all gonna rotate in every angle. I'm just. So you guys gonna.
Can't do it anymore, you guys.
Where to stand? And he,
See?
I like it. The glass is gonna kill us. And then the two in the front. I was expecting you to do that side. You always do. Alright, people. Oh, that's true. Snow time.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you're going through. I wanna be down. I wanna be down with you.
I get on their ass, yeah, somebody gotta do it. I made them niggas mad, yeah, somebody gotta do it. I take the G-Tag, yeah, watch a nigga do it. We survived outside, all from the music, nigga. What are we?
Can y'all see how beautiful this whole place is? It's like gorgeous. Gorgeous. Literally gorgeous. Wow. Lightworth Park.
You bitch that'll really step, but it's not enough. Say you bigger than myself, but it's not enough. I get on their ass, yeah, somebody gotta do it. I made them niggas mad, yeah, somebody gotta do it. I take the G-Tag, yeah, watch a nigga do it. This revolution been televised. I fell through with the next. Hey, yo, nigga, get your chili up. Yeah, I admit that. Hey, black out if they act out. Yeah, I did that. Hey, what's up, though? I hate a bitch that's hating on the bitch, and they both hoes. I hate a nigga hating on them niggas, and they both broke. If you ain't coming for no chili, what you?
Every night I rush to my bed with hopes that maybe I'll get a chance to see you when I close my eyes.
I'm so glad I didn't. I almost didn't because of the cold. But look how beautiful it is. Right? Like, who would want to miss that?
Oh, a beautiful nightmare. Either way,
These are so cute. On a journey to experience what's next, I appreciate the good that I've experienced and the worst that I've been through. For it didn't make me hate life. It made me see life for what it truly is. An experience, a portal to an upgrade for your soul. And in this newfound beginning, all I want to do is embody and share, as cringy as it may be.
it's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make these. What's your name?
Can I get my grown man on point? Cause I see some ladies tonight that should be hanging with Jay-Z. Jay-Z. Excuse me, miss. What's your name?
How many Mexicans does it take to turn on a fire?
This isn't. This. Oh my gosh. What the heck? This just started. It wasn't supposed to start until tomorrow. Oh, it's pure ice. Oh no.
Have you guys ever popped a bottle in an airplane? I've always wanted to. I love the sound. It's the anticipation of it all. Will it pop only or will it spill out? What do you think?
Centered. And you're gonna love me. You're gonna wanna hug me and scream. You ain't even gotta impress me.
Alright guys, we're back at the airport. This time we're going home. I completely forgot to let you guys know that if you guys are in the Seattle airport, please check out Spa Terminal. I'll go ahead and leave their info. They are amazing, just so you all know. And I'll leave the guy that gave me my massage, I'll go ahead and leave his information on here. So you guys can come and get a massage from him. He's amazing, by the way. So yeah. Okay, I gotta go. I love you.